exciting!
This is iCEE.fest.
I feel like everyone here knows exactly who they want to listen to, and more importantly, I think they're getting something out of it. I think people are generally leaving with knowledge and tools to take and apply to their businesses and lives, but then equally everyone's just very engaged. Lots of questions, sold out meeting rooms. It doesn't really matter if you think you know everything, you probably don't, and you can get it here.
First of all, exciting, disruptive, and big. Fantastic, really, really exciting. It's my first time here. I loved the keynote this morning. Everybody was taking pictures, everybody was writing notes. Really good lineup. Very excited to be here.
Eagerness, innovation, and digital. Like, all that together is a great place to be. First of all, this is massive, and there's so many people. So this is a big shout for like digital in Central Europe. This is I'm impressed.
I think definitely collaborative. I've already talked with a lot of people this morning who are in different industries that asked what I do, and I was able to learn what they did. I think there's a really good energy here. It's got a good vibe. There's just a lot of people moving around. There's a lot going on. You know, I think there's a lot of new technologies out there that people are really excited to learn about and collaborate on. And so I think I like the vibe. It's a great time.
The crowd is great. This is really exciting to be here because everyone is obviously engaged in the speakers. I saw a big crowd of folks watching every single person speaking and asking great questions afterwards and really demonstrating they were here to listen, to absorb, and to be engaged in all the topics, which were really different and very unique. I really enjoyed it.
You know, I was here 2 years ago and I was very impressed to see how many people were around the first time and how many people are here today. So it seems, extremely vibrant. A lot of young people who are eager to listen, but what people like me are have to say from publishing or tech companies. So it's a great feeling to be here.